Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's how to build a buyers list video, I'm going to show you how to build an email buyers list. And an email buyers list is your best income asset that you can have to make money online. And it gets even better than that because during the process of building your buyers list, I'm going to show you how to earn profitable passive income, and I'm going to show you some real income proof that this system actually works. And it gets even better than that because during the process of building your buyers list, you can also earn multiple income streams, but also including high ticket income streams. Now, the beauty of this system is that with the high ticket income streams that you can earn, you don't even have to buy those high ticket products yourself. And I'll show you how that works shortly. And during the process, you're also going to be able to promote your offers to thousands of existing buyers and thousands of new buyers that are joining every single month. And you can then, when you've got your buyers list, start promoting any offer to buyers because buyers buy over and over and over again. Research does show that. So there's going to be an income disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and our team. And we've all got an equal opportunity to be able to join these offers as a member and also promote as an affiliate. I'm going to explain on my little whiteboard here how this works. So I recommend you watch this video all the way through so you don't miss out any of the vital steps on how this system works. So step number one in the top left hand corner here is what we need to do. We need to find out where the buyers are. So the buyers within these programs are 100% buyers. So we're going to put 100% buyers. And that's really important because you're not going to sites where there aren't many buyers. This is 100% buyers within these programs. We'll put B for buyers, 100%. And the first one is called Click Engine. This is how I started with the Click Engine. Now the Click Engine has got 100% buyers within its system. So what you're going to do is you buy the Click Engine. So you can start this system for just $5. You're going to buy the Click Engine for $5. That's all it costs to get started. It's a low ticket entry. Now what happens is you're going to put your lead capture page into the Click Engine. I'm going to call it LCP, lead capture page. And then what happens is two things can happen. Your prospects put their email into your lead capture page within the Click Engine and they may buy. That's an income stream for you. They may like your offer and they may buy. But when the magic happens is, we come down here, they've put their lead capture page, their email into your lead capture page, so they are now going on to, they're all buyers. They are 100% buyers within the Click Engine, but you're taking them from the Click Engine buyers list onto your email list. So you're starting to build the foundations of a buyer's email list. Let's go on to step two. So step two is where you take the Click Engine, you become an affiliate. So when you become a member, you take the Click Engine and you promote it as an affiliate. P for promote. Now, the click engine is a converting offer because it's in an evergreen offer, which is traffic. So you promote the click engine, and the reason I know that the click engine converts is because if I go into my Warrior Plus account here, you'll see live in my Warrior Plus account, there's lots of other videos on, on my YouTube channel about this, but you'll see that I've sold $20,500 of these products, click engine here. So I know these offers convert because I've been doing this for a little while now. So you're going to promote the click engine. Now we're going to put FT here because you can promote the click engine with free traffic. I promote it with free traffic. And then what happens is when you get into profit with the click engine, let's call it PR for profit. You're going to promote the click engine. When you get into profit, now to get into profit, you only need 2 referrals. Let's put plus dollars for profit. So when you get into profit with the click engine, what happens there is you can go to the next step. Let's put it over here, the next step, which is step 3. Now the profit from the click engine is RC. Let's call it PPI, profitable passive income, PPI. So you'll see if I go back to my Warrior Plus account here, monthly recurring payments, 24 months in a row, 2 months in a row, 17 months in a row, and we'll show you a bit more of that later. So you're in profit. Now what you do is you take a percentage of those profits and then you reinvest a percentage of those profits, reinvest a percentage of profits, and then you buy another autopilot buyers traffic site. Let's call that EasyClicks. Now EasyClicks is just $10 a month. Now what happens with EasyClicks is you're going to put your lead capture page into here. LCP, lead capture page. And then when your prospects put their email into EasyClicks, 2 things can happen. They may buy your offer, where you're going to earn commissions, or they're going to do the same again like they did with click engine. Now remember, EasyClicks, 100% buyers. So we're taking the buyers from EasyClicks, 100% buyers. We're taking the buyers from EasyClicks onto your email list. So thousands of other members, different audience. Now your buyers list, let's call it BL, buyers list over here. Your buyers list is now growing. Let's put a plus sign. Your buyers list is growing. Now all of this here, this is automated. This is autopilot, AP. This is autopilot. Set and forget. You put your lead capture page in. So you're not only building a buyers list, you're also automating your system as well. And then what you do in step 4, you take some profit and then you buy another. Because you're going to promote EasyClicks with free traffic. Now I'm going to give you the funnels that I personally use and the traffic that I use to promote these offers. and generate the results. And then you buy Click Generator. Now Click Generator again is 100% buyers, and the same thing happens. Lead capture page, email onto your buyers list. Just following a very simple system. Now, what's important to note here is that when you've got all these buyers, when you've got your buyers list, you can then take any offer at any time. Let's put O here for offer. You can take any offer at any time and you can promote to your buyers list. And that's another income stream, because buyers buy over and over again, and they're always interested in traffic and opportunities to build their business. So it's a very simple 4-step system. Now, let me show you how the recurring income works. I'm going to go back into my Warrior Plus account. Now, when I scroll down here, when I talk about profitable passive income, all of these circular arrows are monthly recurring payments coming in every single month. Now, the reason a lot of these members are staying members is because they get in buyers traffic and they're building their own buyers list. And also they're becoming affiliates and they're getting into profit. So you start to build a solid and stable, all these circular arrows, all monthly recurring payments. So you're earning profitable passive income every single month. It can be a growing income. We've done other videos on that. Got good retention, 19 months in a row, 17 months in a row, 20 months in a row. So you'll see the higher retention here of some of these members. The ones here with a lower number, they're just new members coming through. So now let's talk about high ticket. These are the 5 products that I predominantly promote. Let's start with the high ticket. So let's look at high ticket. Now the Click Generator, which I just showed you here, the Click Generator. The Click Generator is one example of where you'll get your affiliate link here in the top left-hand corner, and you'll promote the Click Generator. And if any of your referrals buy any of these products, you'll earn these commissions in the right-hand column. So the Click Generator is owned by John Cornetta and Frank Salinas. They've got 30 years combined experience in the traffic industry. Now they promote products here that sell for $400, $850, $2,000, $650, $6,000, $8,500. So if any of your referrals buy, you can earn these high ticket commissions, $200, $600. Now the beauty of this is you don't have to buy these yourself. You just got to buy the Click Generator. It costs $5. But if any of your referrals go through the system and buy any of these, so that's how you start to sell. If I come back up to here, I'm going to show you in the left-hand column up here, I'm going to show you that I've sold 2,281 products. So you're promoting one link and you can earn multiple income streams. So you're not only building a buyer's list, you're also getting into profit. Now let me just briefly show you the funnels. So we're running out of time, we've only got 45 seconds left. I'm going to give you these funnels all for free. And then you'll see here that you can even earn an additional income stream with the Leads Leap, $1,173 monthly recurring commissions. Give you email follow-ups. So I'm running short of time. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like and a share. And if you've got any questions, please put those in the comments below if you're watching this on YouTube. And my email address is in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye.